Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're into video editing, you know that not just any laptop will cut it. You need power, speed, and a screen that brings your footage to life. In today's video, we're breaking down the best laptops for video content editing, from 4K rendering to multitasking with heavy software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. These machines are built to handle it all. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect laptop for your creative workflow.
Number 5. Apple 2023 MacBook Pro Laptop with M3 Chip. The Apple 2023 MacBook Pro with the M3 chip is a game-changer in the world of laptops, combining powerful performance with cutting-edge features that cater to both professionals and everyday users. With its sleek space gray finish, 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, and the latest Apple technology, this MacBook Pro is designed to impress. Standout feature of the 2023 MacBook Pro is undoubtedly its M3 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. This new processor not only handles everyday multitasking with ease, but also tackles demanding tasks like editing 4K videos or managing large photo libraries effortlessly. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just need a reliable machine for work and play, the M3 chip ensures you won't be left waiting. Built for Apple Intelligence, Apple has integrated its latest intelligence technology into this MacBook Pro, enhancing your productivity and creativity. The system leverages personal context to assist you in writing, expressing yourself, and getting things done, all while maintaining a high standard of privacy. Although this feature is set to debut in beta this fall, it's already generating excitement for how it will transform the user experience. Battery life. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2023 MacBook Pro is its battery life. Number 4. Asus 2023 ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED Laptop. The Asus 2023 ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED laptop is a true powerhouse designed for creative professionals who demand the best in performance, display quality, and reliability. Featuring a stunning 16-inch 3.2K OLED touch display, latest Intel Core i9-13980HX CPU, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, this laptop is built to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. The 16-inch OLED display on the Asus ProArt StudioBook is nothing short of spectacular. With a resolution of 3200 by 2000 pixels, a 16:10 aspect ratio, and a 120Hz refresh rate, this screen is perfect for creators who require precise color accuracy and sharp detail. The 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, Pantone validation, and Delta E2 color accuracy ensure that what you see on the screen is true to life. The display also supports a 4096 pressure level MPP 2.0 stylus, making it ideal for digital artists and designers who need a responsive and accurate touch experience. At the heart of the Asus ProArt StudioBook is the Intel Core i9-13980HX processor, boasting 24 cores and 32 threads, with a base clock speed of 2.2 GHz and a turbo boost up to 5.6 GHz. This level of processing power is perfect for multitasking, 3D rendering, video editing, and any other resource-intensive application. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6 VRAM, this laptop is ready for any creative challenge, from real-time ray tracing to AI-enhanced workflow. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 2022 is a versatile and sleek 2-in-1 device that combines the portability of a tablet with the power of a laptop. Designed for multitaskers and professionals on the move, this device offers impressive performance, a vibrant 13-inch display, and a variety of customization options. With the latest Intel 12th Gen i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage, the Surface Pro 9 is built to handle everyday tasks with ease, all while running Windows 11 in a lightweight and portable package. The Surface Pro 9 is powered by the Intel Evo platform, featuring the 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. This chip is designed to handle multitasking efficiently, making it ideal for those who need to switch between applications seamlessly. Whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or streaming content, the i5 processor delivers smooth and responsive performance. The 8GB of RAM complements the processor, ensuring that you can work on multiple tasks without experiencing slowdown. The Surface Pro 9 boasts a 13-inch Pixel Sense touchscreen that is virtually edge-to-edge, providing an immersive viewing experience. With vibrant colors and sharp details, the display is perfect for creative professionals, students, and anyone who values high-quality visuals. The touchscreen is designed to work. Number 2. Razer Blade 17 Gaming Laptop. The Razer Blade 17 Gaming Laptop is a top-tier machine designed for both gaming enthusiasts and creative professionals who demand the best in performance, display quality, and connectivity. With its 12th Gen Intel 14-core i9 CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a stunning 17.3-inch UHD 144Hz display, this laptop is built to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. At the heart of the Razer Blade 17 is the 12th Gen Intel Core i9-12900H processor, which boasts 14 cores and can reach up to 5.3 GHz with Turbo Boost. This powerhouse CPU is designed to tackle the most intensive gaming sessions, video editing projects, and 3D rendering tasks without breaking a sweat. Paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which is 50% faster than the previous generation, you can expect a smoother and more responsive experience whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running resource-heavy applications. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU in the Razer Blade 17 is a game-changer for both gamers and creators. Offering up to 70% faster performance than the RTX 2070 Super, this GPU delivers exceptional frame rates and stunning visuals, especially at 1440p resolution. Number 1. MSI Summit E16 Flip. The MSI Summit E16 Flip is a high-end 2-in-1 laptop designed for professionals and creators who require a powerful machine that offers both versatility and performance. With a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and a massive 2TB NVMe SSD, this laptop is built to handle demanding tasks, whether you're working on complex projects, gaming, or multitasking. At the core of the MSI Summit E16 Flip is the 13th Gen Intel Core i7 3060p processor. This powerful CPU ensures a smooth and responsive experience, whether you're handling multiple applications simultaneously, editing high-resolution videos, or engaging in intensive gaming. The combination of this processor with 32GB of DDR5 RAM allows for seamless multitasking, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need a reliable and fast machine for their work. The laptop is equipped with a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, which provides excellent graphics performance for creative professionals and gamers alike. Whether you're designing 3D models, rendering videos, or playing the latest AAA games, the RTX 4060 ensures that you experience high-quality visuals with smooth frame rates. The GPU is particularly beneficial for tasks that require substantial graphic processing power.